What are you two? It's your boy BeefT.V back at it again with another video. And today I got my boy DJ with me.
You already know, two-time in the building.
Two-time in the building. Go ahead.
Hey, you already know what the fuck going on. Add me on the gram, 7SZN __. Add me on the Snap, DSJ10. You know, go ahead, log in right there.
Go ahead and add him on Instagram, Snapchat. You know, his stuff's gonna be in the description below. But today we're gonna be doing something different. We're actually gonna be going fishing. Yes, it's about 7 o'clock right now. We're at the lake.
Up and at 'em.
So we're finna take you through a little fishing, teach y'all how to fish correctly, because some of y'all don't do a good job. Before we get started in this video, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit that like button. You know, let's get this video to, 10, 15 likes, you know what I'm saying? And yeah, we're gonna be we're gonna show you this. So we get the setup ready, and we'll show you guys the setup and show you how to do things. So like being said, let's get it.
We can drive around the lake.
Yeah.
But we don't have to. If they ain't gonna make it, I ain't gonna go, but we can walk around. But if we do,
we should make it though. I don't think we.
Yeah, I'm like, it's ground and shit.
I thought we got, because if we turn right, we can make it. If we turn left, I'm pretty sure.
I think you only can turn right though.
No, you can turn left. There's like private stuff over there. You can go.
Oh, yeah. But you gotta make reservations.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah. I mean, no niggas camp out and shit like that and shit. You get sent.
Yeah, you wanna get camp out there one day?
Yeah, we could. Be some funny shit though.
Better catch everything we camping out. Yeah, we can see
We
what they're
can really
talking about with
fucking-
this bait right here too. Hope ain't nobody out here neither.
Ain't nobody out here. And we back with it. A little spot right here. A little spot. Yo, that was probably one of the biggest birds I've ever seen in my life. That bird was close. Wow. But anyway, but look, this is our spot right here. I see what? Caught some. You caught a minnow? It's not on there no more? It's not on there no more? So we now have to switch.
I think we have to adjust the drag on it.
Adjust the drag? I don't know how to adjust the drag. Y'all know how to adjust the drag?
Yeah, right here.
Oh, because it's like holding it, like pressure and stuff too much?
Yeah.
See, when you stay in school, ladies and gentlemen, things start clicking.
Okay.
So we about to, that's how we put the poles in the car. If anybody want to know,
You better go to the bridge.
that's how you put the.
Hey, you got a worm by you.
Yeah, we got live worms in here. So shoot. See you at the next spot, I guess. I don't know. I think this lion. Look at the polo hat. I don't know where I even got this polo hat from. I'm trying to think, I don't know. Overdue though. Hey, I got a hey, story time. Hey, we can have a story time. I got hella stories I could put out in the open. That's definitely PG, you know what I'm saying? Ain't nothing serious, but some funny stories in my lifetime that definitely could share for sure. But comment on it below if you want me to share them. You know what I'm saying? I'll definitely share them. Okay. Yo, this lighting. I look like Will Smith. Prince of Bel-Air. Hey. I don't know. By the way, if y'all thought I was kidding, I wasn't kidding. That's how big they are. They got a whole stack of them. God ain't walking over there. Hey, so we got an update. We got the poles in the water. Go ahead, put my thing down. Got the poles in the water. Hold on. Go ahead and got the poles in the water. Had to get some new poles. They're in the water though.
Six and a half hours later.
It's like they biting too. Oh, damn. That one fell off. That's crazy. That shit snap, bro. Look at this shit, bro. Oh my gosh. I got a whole nother. I gotta get a hook and everything. Oh my gosh. I got one in my pocket. Oh, that 5D. Oh, that 5. Damn. Oh, slow as hell. Oh, look at that. Hey, here, bro. Here, I got a glove right here, bro. That's fine. Caught the first one today, boy. How that cat feel. Stupid ass. Sorry, guys. My phone had died, so I couldn't catch the footage of me, catching, all the fish I caught. No, I'm just kidding. But I didn't catch anything. So as you can tell, a pro for sure. So if you wanted to, go on our website, gofish.com, you can look up tutorials and stuff like that on there. Whoa, or just turn on my computer. So if you watched it this far, I appreciate you watching the video. Stay tuned to the next video. Let's get it.